Looking again at the National 5 2015 paper, this is question 11a part 2, and it relates to the investigation that a student performs by dropping a marble into a tray of sand. And the question, A part 2, is describe the energy change that takes place in the marble as it hits the ground. So very simply here, the answer is that the marble, when it hits the ground, or just before it hits the ground, has kinetic energy, and that is transformed into heat energy. Now, of course, you could add sound energy as well. So we'll say and sound energy. But one thing that is quite common is that often students would forget to write heat energy and just put sound energy. And that wouldn't be correct. You'd not be given the marks for just writing kinetic energy into sound energy alone. You'd have to say kinetic energy into heat energy, or kinetic energy into heat and sound. You could also say kinetic energy of the marble into kinetic energy of the sand. So that's an alternative instead of writing the kinetic energy to heat, because in a sense heat is a form of kinetic energy. And so to reiterate that, we could say the kinetic energy of the marble is transferred into kinetic energy of the sand. But of course, the most common way to write it is just kinetic into heat. And so that's our answer.